Hello everyone, I'm Leslie.
Hello, I'm Ross.
We are from Customer Experience Department. It's a great pleasure to have you here. The information we will cover today is designed to help you better understand and use DME IQ. It is the new name of e-service.
Now let's get started. In this training course, we will describe DME IQ from these 5 aspects. A brief introduction to DME IQ, key features of DME IQ, how to connect devices to DME IQ, DME IQ roadmap and how to visit DME IQ, and some frequently asked questions.
First, we will introduce the positioning of DME IQ. DME IQ is a cloud service tool platform designed for Huawei storage products. It provides partners with multiple tools in delivery and maintenance, remote O&M, and inventory operation scenarios. First, in terms of delivery and maintenance, DME IQ provides the planning and design tool Air Designer, a site deployment quality check tool, a fault diagnosis tool, and a health evaluation tool. They can be accessed on webs. That is to say, you can visit the tools on a PC browser anytime and anywhere. What's more, you can use them without connecting any device to DME IQ. Second, in terms of remote O&M, DME IQ provides the core home, remote inspection, remote log collection, and remote upgrade tools. To use these tools, customers need to authorize you to connect their devices to the DME IQ cloud system. Then you can remotely learn and manage the health status of devices without visiting the customer's site. The other part is inventory operation. It also requires device connection to the DME IQ cloud system. In this way, if the device capacity or performance parameters exceed preset thresholds or the warranty expires, DME IQ will send notifications to you and provide related leads to help you gain insight into customer requirements in advance. This helps you communicate with customers to support follow-up sales.
Now let's move on to the second section of this course, key features of DME IQ.
As you can see, this figure shows the homepage of the DME IQ partner portal, including 3 areas: delivery and maintenance, remote O&M, and inventory operation. Among the delivery and the maintenance tools in 2023, we focus on the site deployment function by scanning QR code on mobile phones. What's more, we now provide the site deployment check, health quality check, health evaluation, and fault diagnosis functions so that you can quickly use these tools without applying for permissions. Among the remote O&M tools, the core home and remote maintenance functions, including log collection, inspection, and upgrades, can greatly improve your O&M efficiency. The inventory operation tool is a digital inventory operation platform used to intelligently identify sales opportunities such as capacity expansion, replacement, upgrade, and warranty renewal. Now, we will introduce the key features of DME IQ one by one.
First, let's take a look at the new function of DME IQ, site deployment by scanning QR code on mobile phones. This function supports 3 types of devices: computational storage, entry-level storage, and Fusion Cube Demo, which are the main storage models in commercial market. The procedure includes 4 steps. Step 1. Remotely complete the LED planning and design of a storage device on the DME IQ cloud system, including the IP address planning and obtaining the license file. Step 2. Connect the storage device to a mobile phone through a router on site. And Step 3. Use the DME IQ mobile app to scan the QR code on the storage device to identify the device SN, associate the SN with the LED planning in Step 1, and complete the initialization of the storage device using a wizard. And Step 4, complete site deployment quality check on the DME IQ mobile app. This is the process of site deployment by scanning QR code on mobile phones. The function lowers the skill requirements for site engineers. the initialization configuration on the mobile phone is very simple.
Next, we will introduce the planning and design tool used in delivery scenarios, AR Designer. AR Designer is a graphical-based planning and design tool and provides functions such as hardware configuration, device networking, and resource provisioning. You can use the tool to quickly complete product planning and design and generate ALD documents to guide frontline engineers on site delivery. Currently, AR Designer supports Huawei Enterprise Storage, Scale-out Storage, and Hyperconverged Infrastructure, or HCI products. For enterprise storage, you can export documents such as basic networking diagrams, front-end and back-end cable connection diagrams, and cabinet diagrams. You can also export CLI commands used for creating storage pools and LANs so that engineers can directly import devices to create resources. For scale-out storage, you can export an Excel deployment file and import the file to the distributed deployment assistant on smart keys to initialize the network of each node. What's more, you can import the Excel deployment file to the Device Manager client to deploy devices in ALD mode. AR Designer provides 4 methods for you to create ALD projects. The first one is customization. That is to say, you can customize devices to create an ALD project. The second one is to add device enclosures for enterprise storage. This method is used for capacity expansion. The third one is to import a BOQ file. The next method is to create an ALD project using a template. ALD Designer has hundreds of preset templates covering backup, data protection, active-active, and high availability, or HA. You can directly use the templates to create your own ALD projects. Of course, you can also tailor your own templates according to your site requirements.
Now, I will show you how to use AR Designer. In this example, we use the customization method to create an ALD project. As you can see, the procedure includes 8 steps: projection creation, network planning, cabinet planning, host configuration, VLAN planning, resource provisioning, mapping view, and ALD export.
Next, we will introduce a maintenance tool, health evaluation. If you need to perform a health check on the customer's device, you can use smart keys or the DME IQ remote inspection tool to perform inspection on the device and obtain the original inspection file package. After importing the inspection file package, you can create a device health evaluation task. DME IQ will then evaluate the device health status from different aspects, including software and hardware status, alarmed value-added service status, and capacity, and then provide optimization suggestions. In addition, the tool allows you to export health evaluation reports in Word format, which can be used for formal communication with customers.
Next, we will introduce the fault diagnosis tool used in maintenance scenarios. When a complex fault occurs on a device and logs are required to locate the fault, the tool can quickly diagnose the fault based on log analysis and location. You can use SmartKit or the DME IQ remote log collection function to collect device logs. Import the logs to the fault diagnosis tool and select the fault symptom. Then the tool can automatically analyze the root cause of the fault and provide handling suggestions. This tool has more than 7,000 LMT expert experience rules, which cover 85% known problems, helping you quickly locate root causes, obtain handling measures, and improve customer satisfaction. What's more, the tool can analyze faults based on different fault scenarios. This improves the analysis accuracy and efficiency. After the tool analyzes the fault, you can view the root cause of the fault and rectify the fault according to the measures provided by the tool. What's more, the tool supports auxiliary measure analysis. When seeking assistance from the tech for troubleshooting, You can quickly transfer the analysis task link to transfer log packages. This avoids frequent transfer of large files.
Now let's take a look at some remote O&M tools. First of all, we will figure out how the call home function works. When a fault alarm is generated on a device, the security gateway proactively reports the fault to Huawei DME IQ cloud system. The cloud system then parses the alarm contents and performs some filtering operations. After that, the cloud system pushes the alarm to the partner portal. After receiving the alarm, the partner portal sends an email to the partner's O&M engineer so that the engineer can handle the alarm in time. In this way, this function can meet the partner's requirements for 24/7 remote O&M, reduce manpower investment, enhance O&M efficiency, and also improve customer loyalty. Call Home also provides an intelligent alarm dashboard to help you quickly view and manage alarms. For some complex problems, partners can also create Huawei eCare service requests on the DME IQ partner portal to seek help from Huawei. The device status monitoring function intelligently analyzes device health status in terms of system, hardware, configuration, capacity, and performance to identify potential risks and provide an overall score.
DME IQ also provides remote inspection and log collection functions. When a device is faulty and the engineer requires device logs to locate the fault, you usually need to contact the customer to collect the logs and send the logs to the engineer through the internet. The whole process may take a day. After the device is connected to DME IQ, the engineer can remotely deliver a log collection task in office and collect all device logs within 1 hour. This greatly reduces service costs. After obtaining logs, the partner's engineer can use the fault diagnosis tool provided by DME IQ to locate the fault. Similarly, when the partner's engineer needs to perform regular health check on the customer's device, it is usually necessary to arrange a service engineer to perform health check on the device by visiting the customer's site. By using the remote inspection function of DME IQ, you can complete device health check within half an hour and learn the health status of the device. This convenient health check can also help partners to check the health status of customers' devices more frequently and guard the health of devices within higher quality.
Next, we will introduce the inventory operation tools provided by DME IQ. Currently, the intelligent lead management function is available on the DME IQ partner portal. Based on the O&M data of connected devices, DME IQ can comprehensively analyze device bottlenecks from the following perspectives: performance, capacity, life cycle, and warranty, and can also intelligently recommend leads related to warranty renewal, legacy device replacement, performance expansion, and capacity expansion. This helps partners quickly identify equipment purchase and capacity expansion requirements, contact customers in advance and make plans, and also promote follow-up sales.
What's more, we provide DME IQ mobile app to work together with DME IQ cloud system. It allows partners to view device risks and faults anytime, anywhere, and learn about device status in real time. Its intelligent diagnosis function can display the details and impact scope of a fault. In addition, we can view service request process and track the handling process at any time. What's more, DME IQ uses AI to intelligently predict potential device risks and diagnose faults, helping partners quickly handle device risks and problems.
Next, we will introduce two methods of connecting devices to DME IQ. One method is to use a piece of independent software, Secure Cloud Gateway. It is deployed on a Windows server at the customer's site. You can add a device to the Secure Cloud Gateway, then the gateway can report device alarms and O&M data to the DME IQ cloud system so that the partner can use the data on the partner portal. The other method is to use the DME IQ function built in device manager of a storage device. This function directly connects the device to DME IQ cloud system and reports device alarms and the O&M data to the cloud system so that the partner can use the data on the DME IQ partner portal. So let's make a comparison between the two modes. The secure cloud gateway requires the customer to provide a Windows server to deploy the gateway. If you use Device Manager, no additional server is required. We recommend you use the secure cloud gateway when there are a large number of devices. It can manage many devices. Device Manager can be used when there are a small number of devices. After a device is added to the secure cloud gateway, it can be automatically associated with the DME IQ partner portal. However, Device Manager cannot associate a device with the DME IQ partner portal. Therefore, if you use Device Manager to connect a device, please contact Huawei Tech for device association.
After devices are connected to the DME IQ cloud system, customers may have security concerns. In response, we need to clarify that DME IQ can collect only device OM data and transmitted data will be audited and traced. What's more, Huawei has taken many measures to ensure data security during transmission and management. The first measure is collection security. DME IQ can collect your device only through its management network. What's more, it connects only OM data of devices, and service data is not involved. In addition, collected data can be traced during transmission. The second measure is transmission security. DME IQ uses the HTTPS encryption channel and two-way authentication to ensure the transmission security of the Internet channel. What's more, DME IQ uses the SMTP encryption channel and digital envelope technology to ensure the transmission security of the email channel. The last one is management security. We take some action to ensure data storage and access security after device OM logs are transmitted to DME IQ. For example, deploy DME IQ in a Huawei cloud zone and using Huawei Situational Awareness System AES-256 Advanced Encryption Algorithm and Permission Management.
Now, let's see the roadmap of DME IQ and how to visit DME IQ. Here shows the roadmap of DME IQ. As we have mentioned, in the first quarter of 2023, DME IQ partner portal supports site deployment of computational storage by scanning QR code on mobile phones and lead management. In the second quarter, we plan to provide some enhanced functions, including remote upgrades, as well as some routine O&M activities on the mobile app, such as device monitoring, inspection, log analysis, and upgrade using a patch. In the third quarter this year, we plan to support site deployment of entry-level storage and the phishing cube by scanning QR code on mobile phones, as well as enhanced performance demarcation and phishing compute demarcation. The lower part shows how to visit the DME IQ partner portal. You can click the link and log in.
The final part is FAQs. On this slide, we list some frequently asked questions and their answers. Question 1. How do I apply for the permission to access the DME IQ partner portal? So the answer is send a permission application email to DMEIQ send a permission application email to DMEIQ@huawei.com to apply for the permission according to the email template in the DMEIQ user guide for partners. Question 2. What are the differences between health evaluation on DME IQ and inspection on SmartKit? And answer is, health evaluation on DME IQ is an advanced version of the inspection function on SmartKit. The former uses the inspection package and log package data collected on SmartKit and various cloud-based analysis rules to comprehensively evaluate device health. In addition, a health evaluation report in Word format can be exported to the formal communication with customers. Question 3. Can I use DME IQ when no device is connected to it? An answer is yes. The DL Designer, health evaluation, and full diagnosis functions on DME IQ can be used even when no device is connected. However, you are advised to connect devices to use more powerful remote OEM features such as call home, remote inspection, and remote log collection.
That's all for this DME IQ training course. Thank you.
Bye bye, see you next time.